Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to discuss how to correctly remove a tick, according to the CDC. We'll also show you some tick clips from around the web. Please follow the instructions as some of the examples may be less than perfect. Number 1. Use fine-tipped tweezers to grasp the tick as close to the skin surface as possible. Number 2. Pull upward with steady, even pressure. No sudden yanking. Number 3. After removing the tick, thoroughly clean the bite area and your hands with rubbing alcohol or soap and water. Never crush a tick with your fingers. The CDC says, if you find a tick attached to your skin, there's no need to panic. The key is to remove the tick as soon as possible. And as a side note, certain areas are on the lookout for Lyme disease and may want you to send any ticks that burrow into your skin in for testing. So check with your local authorities. So there you go. If you have a tick story, please leave it below. Also, click the subscribe button and notification bell for all our updates.